What's up, everybody? Spook G the First here. Still chilling in Denver, you know what I'm saying? I had to do a couple episodes out here. This spot called One Up, legit spot. Take you in here, you know what I'm saying? Y'all can check it out. And while y'all check it out, we're gonna preview some movies. Try and keep each episode at least 2 minutes long, so you can get on with your day. I can keep doing these episodes, and we can keep going like the way we know how, you know what I'm saying? Check out my first pick. I'm gonna bring you on this arcade right quick. Y'all check out this first pick.
Hero is a 2002 PG-13 movie, and it's about a soldier with supernatural skills on a mission for revenge. It has a great storyline, great cinematography, and great visual effects, and an excellent cast of actors and actresses. Hero, rated PG-13. Unleashed is a 2005 rated R action film that tells the story of a man who's raised by a crime boss and trained to kill at will. This has a simple story, great action, great fighting, and a diverse cast of actors and actresses. Unleashed, rated R.
I hope you guys like that. I hope you guys like. I hope you guys subscribe. I hope you guys leave comments and questions below. On that note, you guys be safe. It's a crazy world. Peace.